Winston and Felix here, and the Fed has won. Soft landing, no recession, declining inflation, aren't they clever? Well, the tech rally certainly likes it. We have a $3 trillion Apple stock now, and really all signs are pointing upwards. And why is that? Well, we got lower PCE inflation this morning than expected. It's running at just 0.1% a month, which is pretty low. It's the Fed's favorite inflation metric. We've got consumer sentiment out this morning, and it's ticked up surprisingly again. Income is actually looking very strong, but spending, consumer spending, isn't. And that basically means, again, the Fed's rhetoric has worked. The consumer is a little frightened, a little scared. The money's coming in, but they're not spending it, which is all perfect for this miracle, immaculate soft landing that we're going to get here, apparently. But look, at the moment, enjoy it. Now, the odds on the rate hike in July are still 80% plus, which is baffling, because with PCE inflation at 0.1%, why on earth and how could the Fed possibly justify raising rates any further? Well, I don't know. Maybe they spotted a squirrel, like Winston probably just has. Actually, if it was a squirrel, he'd already be off out of the shot. So that's going to be an interesting one. But then they bent all rationale and logic at the last FOMC meeting and came up with something that made no sense at all as a justification for pausing rates and then keeping them going. If you look at the yields, they're pretty unchanged. So the bond market isn't expecting much lower interest rates or much higher interest rates. Everything is kind of unchanged. So we're in this sweet spot, this summer la land where the skies are always blue. Someone's permanently filling your Pim's glass, and we're in central London in the summer, and look at what the sky looks like. Everything is exactly as it should be. They call this summer over here. So what does it mean for you and me? Well, to start with, use the time to learn. We've got our free, not quite free, but 99% off stock course still out and about. Let's see what Winston's up to. And it's at felixfriends.org/stock, so download it. We're doing it to celebrate 50,000 subscribers, which we'll hopefully get to if you decide to smash that little red subscribe button. And there's opportunity. I don't think it's ever been easier to make money, really, because everything tech, everything big, everything AI and big and tech is going up. And it doesn't really take a genius to be a stock picker. But I still think it's a stock picker's market. And today is also the end of the quarter, which means quarterly options expiration. And it therefore means markets are likely to move a lot more next week than they have in recent weeks, because we've gone fairly sideways, right? In a nice way, but kind of sideways. So watch out for that, and watch out for the new resistance and support lines on all your major friendly stocks. We will cover that, of course. I'll do a full recap over the weekend, so tune in for that. And thank you very much for watching. Winston's going to find another squirrel or two to terrify. Cheers for watching.